I'm excited to welcome you to my new course, the Bagpipe Essentials Masterclass, the complete video guide to learn and master your bagpipe technique. I'm Yori Chisholm. I founded BagpipeLessons.com with the simple goal to provide high-quality information to help anyone, anywhere in the world, fulfill their dream to become a piper. I've designed this comprehensive step-by-step video course to help give you a complete understanding of all of the most essential components of bagpipe fingering technique so you can play your tunes with cleaner execution, better musical expression, and greater confidence. We'll look at everything from the basic scale, grace notes, strikes, doublings, grips, torluas, D-throws, burls, and more. I'll teach you everything you need to master the theory, timing, and execution. I'll show you everything on the practice chanter at different speeds, from super slow to make it easy to follow along, to faster tempos to show you how these techniques integrate seamlessly into your tunes. This is all based on my over 30 years of experience as a piper and bagpipe teacher. I've taught thousands of pipers of all levels from around the world, from young kids to beginners taking up the pipes in their retirement years, from casual pipe band pipers to soloists aiming to win at the world's top competitions. After watching the videos in this course, you will have a solid understanding of all of the essentials of bagpipe technique, and you'll be able to practice and play with greater efficiency and find greater enjoyment from your playing. You'll be able to execute the music with fluidity, speed, and control, and not get hung up on your fingering. In this course, we'll start with the fundamentals, looking at your practice chanter and how it works. I'll show you the perfect position for your hands on the chanter and share with you the two most important pillars of good form. From there, we'll move on to the 9 notes of the bagpipe scale, including how to identify and eliminate crossing noises. We'll look at the 4 most commonly played grace notes, the importance of grace note size, and how grace notes are used to build our other embellishments. We'll look at the 2 most important grace note combinations, the GDE and the tacham. Then I'll teach you all 9 doublings and share with you the 3 most important things that make a perfect doubling. We'll look at 3 different versions of strikes, from simple strikes to the grace note strike to the more advanced doubling strikes. We'll look at the 4 important low G bass movements, including the grip and torlua, with special emphasis on beat placement. And we'll look in depth at the 2 styles of the D throw, the advantages and challenges of each type, and how to choose the right one for you. And finally, we'll look at the burl. There are many styles of the burl, and I'll teach you how to play a perfect burl every time by teaching you the style that I play, which is the style preferred by most of the top pipers in the world. This course contains 31 high-quality videos, and in every one of these, the essential topics are explained in depth and demonstrated by me, and this is a video that you can watch from your computer or mobile device anywhere, anytime. This course is a one-time purchase. It's not a subscription. When you sign up, you'll receive an email with a link to log in, and you can start watching and learning immediately. There is something for every piper in this course. If you're a beginner and just starting out, this course will help you get started in the right direction with a solid foundation. If you've been playing for a while, this course will help you refine your understanding of these important embellishments so you can improve the quality, speed, and consistency of your execution to really elevate your piping to the next level. To join, please visit bagpipelessons.com/masterclass or click on the link below. So if you're ready to transform your piping with better consistency of fingering and more confident playing, start your journey today and join my Bagpipe Essentials Masterclass. Thanks and happy piping.